Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload your photos from Google Photos to Google Drive. This is a great way to back up specific images or organize them into folders. Let's get started. First, let's access your Google Photos account. Open your browser and navigate to photos.google.com. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Here, you'll see all your backed up photos and videos from your phone or other devices. Before you can upload the photos to Google Drive, you need to download them to your PC. Select the photos you want to transfer by clicking on the check mark at the top left corner of each image. Once you've selected the photos, click on the three dots More Options at the top right corner. Choose Download from the drop-down menu, and the photos will be downloaded as a zip file if you select multiple images, or as individual files if you select one. Now, unzip the file if needed and place the photos in a folder on your computer. Now, let's upload those downloaded photos to Google Drive. Open a new tab and go to drive.google.com. Log in if you're not already. Click on the New button in the left sidebar and select File Upload. Navigate to the folder where your downloaded photos are stored and select them and click Open. You'll see the upload progress at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the upload is complete, it's a good idea to organize your photos. Go to My Drive and find the uploaded photos. You can create folders for them by right-clicking in your drive and selecting New Folder. Drag and drop the photos in the appropriate folder. This helps you keep your drive neat and organized. And that's it. Now you know how to easily transfer photos from Google Photos to Google Drive. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.